Hi there, my name is Laura Sanderson. I'm with the Client Solutions team, and welcome to your sponsor Paul's free trial experience. We're so excited to have you within the platform, but as part of the free trial, you are going to uncover a couple of obstacles as you navigate through the tool. So what I'm going to do today is showcase some unique report features that would be available for you if you upgrade to a full subscription. So specifically, let's take a look at analyzing properties. This is going to allow you to deep dive into any of the thousands of different properties that we have available across the platform. So for the purpose of today, we're going to take a look at the WNBA. Select and then apply filters. You can then select across one of the 18 countries that we would have available. You can either do so at a national level, a regional level, or drill down further into a state, or within Canada, a provincial level. We're going to stick with the United States for the purpose of today's discussion. So immediately, that's going to bring you to a page that's going to include all of the different consumer segment information that we have across the platform. This is hundreds of different data points, and quite frankly, it's too much information. So what we've done to make this a little more digestible for you is we've taken all of the consumer segment information and broke it down into 4 different filters. So you can look at it from category purchase filter, digital, demographic, or brand usage. So for example, if we want to know more about the fans of the WNBA within the US, we can take a look at the demographic filter. And this is going to tell you more based on whichever metric. We have 7 that are available to help us understand the property health. Whichever one might be the most important for you, you can then filter it that way to understand a little bit more about fans of the league. So how we have further broken this down for you is you can either take a look at it from a general lens, or you can actually take a look at it specifically by age range, gender, household income, all the way down to LGBTQ+, and even marriage status. Now, if you want to build out potentially a communication story, click on digital usage. Again, you can look at it from a generic lens, or we can filter it down a little bit further if you had a specific digital user information that you were interested in. But for the purpose of today, again, we're going to take a look at it from a general lens and an opportunity to uncover potentially new users amongst different digital usage behaviors that could be available across fans of the WNBA. Now, if we wanted to maybe uncover and prospect a new category purchase, or purchase category, same idea. You can take a look at it from a general lens, or you can take a look at it and drill into something a little bit further. So if maybe you're going to a meeting with a new automotive company that you want to learn a little bit more about, you can select on this and determine whether or not there is an opportunity amongst fans of the WNBA across those who intend to purchase or lease a vehicle. Select, apply filters. This is now going to give you a little bit more of a tighter snapshot to understand whether or not there is an opportunity. And looking at the different metrics that we have available, specifically when we look at engagement, 40% of those who intend to purchase or lease a vehicle have engaged with the WNBA in the past year. Now, this is again across the US amongst the age group of 13 to 64 years of age, but that is definitely an over-index compared to the general populations. So again, we have this available across all the different metrics. Last but not least, let's take a quick look at our brand usage filters. This is going to give you the ability to understand different users across different brands. And again, based on whichever metric that might be of interest, to really uncover a specific opportunity for you as it relates to the WNBA. I hope you found this information useful. Love to speak with you more about how we can support your objectives. Please visit www.sponsorpulse.com. Thank you.